Hey guys, welcome back. I want to take a quick minute and do a specific video on one of the Amazon accessories that I put on because there's so much interest in it. I think it deserves its own video. And what I'm talking about is this little coil cover right down here. So I'll discuss that a little bit more in detail for you and show you how you can get one. Let's take a look. Like I said, I have featured this part in videos before, but since there was so much interest in it, so many questions about it, I figured I would just go ahead and make a video about this coil cover on its own. It's a pretty basic install. You take out the stock screw and you install the one that they send with it, and it's that simple. Torque it to spec and you're done. This billet aluminum coil cover is super inexpensive compared to the one you can find in the Harley catalog, but I believe those have even come down in price recently. And I still think they're about twice the price though. So take a look if you need to compare them, but this one is definitely much less expensive. The face of the cover is machined and it really does look just like the Harley version. It just doesn't have the bar and shield on the front. The painted surface seems to be very high quality and it's flawless. Basically, it's in perfect condition. This cover will help you create a custom look in a matter of minutes. There's a mounting screw provided because the stock screw won't be long enough when you add this cover, so you'll have to change that out. Now the design that I'm putting on here is again a machine face with black paint, and if you're not interested in that, if you're looking for maybe something all chrome or all black or a different combination, different look altogether, once you open this link you should be able to look around and see the other styles that are available. There are several other choices. You simply remove the OEM mounting screw, insert the one provided, mount the cover and tighten the screw. Simple as that. You want to be sure and torque it to Harley specifications, which is around 11 to 14 foot-pounds. I went with 12 foot-pounds to be right in the middle. As you saw there, it literally takes 5 minutes to change or to install because there's not a cover there anyway. It's just the coil that's mounted to the side. You just pull the stock screw out, put the coil cover on, put the replacement screw in and tighten her down and torque it, and you're good to go. Doesn't take any time at all, and I think it looks great. I think that really dresses up the side of the bike in a very quick fashion, and it makes a huge difference, I think, in the way the bike looks. And these covers look just like the ones you can get from Harley at a much less price. They just don't have the bar and shield in the middle. I'll put the link down below so you can check it out on Amazon and get one for yourself. Like I said, they're very inexpensive and super easy to install like you just saw. Thanks for watching, guys. This part should fit the 2024, 2025 Road Glide and Street Glide without a problem. And like I said before, the listing shows that it's for a softail, but it is the exact same coil setup, so you shouldn't have any problem. I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the video. Please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning visitor, thank you so much for coming back. We truly appreciate you. Y'all stay safe and we'll see you on the next one.